Okay, so I wanted to make this video real quick. This is a $17 Wi-Fi microscope from eBay, and it's got adjustable light. All you have to do is buy it. 17 something bucks, free shipping, and you get that's an old broken tablet I have. It makes its own Wi-Fi direct thing, so you connect the Wi-Fi to it. And in this case, I have a Netgear extender that's broken. The antenna's broken. And I just wanted to show how friggin' awesome this thing is. I mean, that antenna is extremely small. I hope you can see it. Best thing about it is the base, because my hands are so shaky. But look at that. I mean, if I could. Goes up to 1000x from like 50. If I could get it straight, that would be awesome. You can see, I guess it's a little laggy with the program, and if you hit the zoom button, the whole app crashes. But I guess I need a new Torx bit. But it's pretty awesome. For $17, it makes doing work like this, trying to do it by the bare eye, so much better. Look at that. That was the problem. The center there. I could keep my hands straight for a second. Now I'd be able to see that by eye, but not very good. I'd have to guess. Now I don't have to guess.